Hello everybody, and this question is taken from vector algebra. It's a vector algebra question from GCSE. So the question says CAYB is a quadrilateral, and we have been given CA, CB, BY, and we are also given AX is to XB is 1 is to 2. So we have to prove that CX is 2/5 of CY. And so where do we start? We are going to start with joining CX and CY, and when you do that, this is what X is. Okay, so AX is to XB equal to 1 is to 2, or AX by XB equals 1 on 2. So AX equal to half of XB, right? Now XB, if we look at it, and if we look at this part of the diagram, so this is XB, this is XC, and this is CB. So we can say that XB equals XC plus B plus CB. That is, XC remains as it is, plus CB is known as 6B. Okay, so now what we can do is, and also we will put this in place of XB, and the other thing is what we will also do is AX. Now if you look at AX, which is this one, AX, and if you look at this part of the figure, that AX is also equal to, AX will be pointing this way, AX, so AX equals AC plus CX. Okay, so AX equals AC plus CX, and AC is minus 3A, because CA is 3A, so AC is minus 3A, is going the other way, so we go with a negative sign, plus CX. So instead of AX we can write this, and instead of XB we are going to write this. Okay, so if we do that, what we will get is minus 3A plus CX equal to half of XC plus 6B. Okay, so what happens is, if you now multiply both by 2, you get minus 6A plus 2CX equals XC plus 6B. Now XC we can write as minus CX plus 6B. So if we bring the CX to one side, we get 3CX equals 6A plus 6B, or what we get from here is CX is twice A plus B. Okay, so that is one thing we will hold on to, because there is CX, so we found CX. So now we have to concentrate on CY. So CY is here. So this is CY. So if we look at this part of the diagram now, the whole of it, what we get is CY equals CB plus BY. Okay, now just erased it so I can see the where the arrows, because that's important. The CB is going towards B, so CB plus BY. Okay, so that equals CB is 6B plus BY equals 5A minus B. So that equals 5B plus 5A equals 5A plus B. So Cy equals this and Cx equals this. So now if I divide one by the other, so I will get Cx on Cy equals twice A plus B divided by 5A plus B, and that is 2 by 5 Cx Cy. So that is how we are going to do this, and I think that will give us 5 marks. That is written here. So hope this helps you. I have it's done in a better way in the slide. So what I did is I typed it all out neatly so that you can see what I did. So first thing to start is to join C and Y and find the point X. That's my X. Then I'm going to do AX is to XB. That's how I start, as we did in the other exam, in the the previous one which I was doing. So, and I've marked it as 1, the first equation 1, and then 2, and then using 1 and 2 we get this, we get Cx, and then we have Cy, the other part. So this is one part. There are two parts. One part is where you find out what Cx is, the other part is where you find out what Cy is, and then you divide one by the other to get the answer. That's the same. So our proof is done, and hopefully that concludes this particular session. So hope it helped. Thank you so much for your time, and we will be solving many more questions. So thank you. Stay with me. Thanks. Bye.